Today, we'll introduce how to collect the BacknetIP protocol by using our configuration gateway. When we collect the BacknetIP protocol, first of all, we need to use the BackNet scan tool. To scan the network device which has BacknetIP protocol and confirm whether BacknetIP is the standard BacknetIP. We can also use the BackNet scan tool to scan the data points in the field, export the pointer table, and import the pointer table to our configuration software for direct call. The second step is to enter our chart-view configuration software, establish the driver of BacknetIP, create a new channel, and create a new device. When creating a new tag, we directly import the pointer table scanned by BackNet scan. The last step is to upload the project, start monitoring and check the status of the points. So let's do the demo. First, we open the BackNet scan. Select the corresponding network card. And search device. Then search points. We export the pointer table after completing to scan the point. Then enter the chart-view software. Create a new project. Create a new driver. Select BacknetIP. When we create channel, we should pay attention to the parameter is IP address. The IP address here is 255.255.255.0. Create device. There is a device ID in the device parameter. The device ID corresponds to the instance number scanned by BackNet scan, here 2699. The device ID we just scanned is 2699. Import the pointer table. Yeah. Succeed. Switch to gateway model. Change gateway IP. Here. Click Save. Then click Upload. Okay, succeed. We have successfully collected BacknetIP. That's all for this video.